This video demonstrates SolidWorks model preview of motorcycle engine piston with the CNC lathe machining toolpath verification simulation using C-axis. Also, backplot simulation with toolpath statistics are presented of the cutting operations. In the next clip, you shall watch the direct camera preview of motorcycle piston from the computer screen. Preview has been made simultaneously with the actual piston, showing various views by rotation in different axes. I have taken measurements from the piston using micrometer, calipers, standard gauges, and another measuring instrument. Solid model developed in SolidWorks has been further used for measuring. In the forthcoming clip, you shall watch the toolpath verification simulation of motorcycle piston. Turning, grooving, drilling, along with C-axis drilling operation have been performed. Toolpath verification is made to check and remove any kind of error might exist before actual machining is performed, such as tool collision and gouging. In the next clip, toolpath statistic has been shown. Machining operations are based on carbide insert for turning and grooving. Drilling operations are consist of solid carbide drill. Piston material has been considered as LM13, a common material for piston aluminum alloy casting. The estimated total cycle time is found to be 2.05 minutes.